श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Till now, we have come across with two mantras of sixth Prashna in the Prashna Upanishad, where Bharadwaja, by name Sukesha, he posed a question to Pipalada, who is that Purusha, one who is having 16 parts, Shodashakala Purusha. For that question, he started answering, Tasmai sahovacha ihaiva antasharire somya sapurushaha yasminneta shodashakala prabhavanti. The very Purusha is available in this very body. One who is having 16 parts, or the 16 parts which are produced in him, he is called as Shodashakala Purushaha. That was the second mantra in this Upanishad. While explaining this meaning of this mantra, Bhagavad-pada elaborately discussed so many things. After that, he comes to the third mantra, which is Sa ikshan chakre kasminnu aham utkrante utkranto bhavishyami kasmin va pratisthite pratishthasyami iti. He, the person or one who is called Purusha, he thought himself, Sa ikshan chakre, he thought himself, Kasminnu aham utkrante utkranto bhavishyami, in whose departure shall I be departing? Kasmin va pratisthite pratishthasyami, in whose resting firm verily shall I be resting firm. That is the outline meaning of this mantra. Here, while explaining, Bhashyakara says, Yasminneta shodashakala prabhavanti ityuktaha purusha visheshanartham kalanam prabhavaha sacha anyarthopi shrutah kena kramena syadityatah idamuchyate chetana purvikacha srishtihi ittevam arthancha. Here he says, Yasminnetaha shodashakala prabhavanti ityukta purusha visheshanartham kalanam prabhavaha. He is the Purusha, one who is Shuddha Purusha. We cannot explain, or for that matter, the word is not capable of explaining that Purusha without any adjectives. When you put some adjectives to that Purusha, then only he can be explained verbally. Otherwise, it is the verbal explanation cannot be possible for that Shuddha Purusha. That's why he is having such kind of qualities or adjectives, some kind of qualities. Here he says Shodasha Kala Purusha, not only Shuddha Purusha, he is Shodasha Kala, by which or by through this Shodasha Kala one will be able to understand Purusha. Otherwise, even if you explain through so many words, you will not be able to understand the real nature of Purusha. That's why Yasminnetaha Shodasha Kala Prabhavanti Tyukta Purusha Visheshanartham Kalanam Prabhava. Those 16 parts which are produced, that is the reason, or he is the main source for these Shodasha Kalas. That's why he is called as the producer of those Shodasha Kala. That will be the adjective of Purusha. Shodasha Kalanam Prabhavaha Saha Anyartho Vishrutaha Kena Kramena Syadityataha Idamuchyate Chetana Purvika Cha Srishtihi Ityevam Arthancha. These are all the Shodasha Kalas will be explained in their own way. At the same time, why this is explained, that these 16 parts will be produced from this Purusha. Why? Because the Srishti which is through Chetana only will be made. Otherwise, Achetana Purvika Srishtihi Nabhidhiyate. Yatha Sankhyahi Prakritihi Jadatmika Jagatah Karanam iti yaduchyate. Tannirakaranartham Upanishatsu Chetana Purvika Srishtireva Abhidhiyate. To justify this kind of doctrine, Chetana Purvika Srishtihi, that means Purusha is behind all these Srishtis. Chetana Purvika cha Srishtihi ityevam arthancha Purusha Shodasha Kala Prushtaha yo Bharadwajena sa Ikshan Chakre Ikshanam Darshanam Chakre Kratavan. Before the Srishti, one has to think about the Srishti. In the Laukika Vyavahara or in our worldly experience, we all having such a kind of experience. If a person wants to do something, straight away he will not go for doing such kind of work. What will he do? Before starting any work, any activity, he will think about it first. That means that action will be produced in his mind. Then only the body will go for the action. Before body action, the mental action will be there. Manasiki Kriya. That is called as Manas Sankalpa. Sankalpa Rupa Kriya. Ikshana Purvika Kriya. Before such kind of activities, one has to think in his mind. That is the experience we are all having. In the same manner, before the Srishti of this world, Paramatma also thought what to be done and in what form. After such kind of ikshana or sankalpa or mental activity, then only he starts to produce the world. So iksham chakre ikshanam darshanam chakre kritavan. Ikshanam or darshanam. Here this word signifies ikshanam nama na chakshusha ikshanam. Manasa ikshanameva ikshanam. Darshanam. Sankalpa. Srishti phalakramadi vishayam. What kind of ikshanam this is? सृष्टि फल क्रमादि विषयम ईक्षणम कृतवान. What kind of सृष्टि is to be made and what is the effect of this सृष्टि and what is the order of सृष्टि? These are all he thought before creating the world. That is the system of, in Indian philosophy, चेतनपूर्वक कारणवादे. चेतनपूर्वक कारणवादः इत्यस्य अभिप्रायः अयं, या कापि क्रिया या काचित् सृष्टिर्भवति सा सृष्टिः चेतनपूर्विका एव. तच्च चेतनं सृष्टेः पूर्वम् ईक्षित्वा एव सृष्टिं करोति. सृष्टि फलक्रमादि विषयम् कथम् इत्युच्यते. कस्मिन् कर्तृविशेषे देहाद् उत्क्रान्ते उत्क्रान्तो भविष्यामि अहम् एवं कस्मिन् वा शरीरे प्रतिष्ठिते अहं प्रतिष्ठास्यामि प्रतिष्ठितस्याम्. सृष्टि फल, whatever the world is to be created, before creation of that world he thought like that what is to be produced, what is to be created, and what order should be followed, and what will be the effect or fruit of this srishti. These are all he thought before creating the world. After thinking, at the same time, kasmin kartru visheshe dehad utkrante utkranto bhavishyami. If I create anything, and there will be so many kind of shariras. For that matter, in Vedanta there are 4 kind of shariras are explained. One is Jarayuja, Andaja, Swedaja and Udbhija. Jarayuja means the body of human beings and animals, that is called as Jarayuja. And Andaja means the body of these reptiles and as well as birds, etc. And Swedaja, Swedaja means all kind of insects, etc. That is called as Swedaja, Yuka Mashakadikam. And Udbhija, Udbhija means whatever is come from the earth, just like trees, creepers, etc. That is called as Udbhija. These 4 kind of shariras will be produced. In the created body, he will exist. That is thought before creation. Kasmin pratisthite aham pratisthashyami. Kasmin dehe pratisthite aham pratisthashyami. कस्मिन् अहम उत्क्रान्ते उत्क्रान्तो भविष्यामि. कस्य तावत् स्थितौ अहम स्थितो भवामि. कस्य वा उत्क्रमणे अहम उत्क्रान्तो भविष्यामि. This is the kind of chintana of Paramatma. ईश्वरेच्छानुवर्तिषु वा परमाणुषु सत्सु. ईश्वरे, the atoms which are produced. Here he started the discussion to reject the concept of Sankhyas and Naiyayikas, because Sankhyas say everything is produced through this Prakriti, Pradhanam, Achetana Prakritihi, Achetana Purvika iyam srishtihi. This is the doctrine of Sankhyas, whereas Naiyayikas say all the whole world will be produced through atoms. Paramanu Jagat Karanavadha athava Arambhavadaha. That is the Siddhanta of Naiyayikas or Tarkikas. To refute their Siddhanta, Bhashyakara started a discussion here. ननु आत्मा अकर्ता प्रधानं कर्तृ अतः पुरुषार्थं प्रयोजनम् उररीकृत्य प्रधानं प्रवर्तते महदाद्याकारेण. Once it is explained in this mantra, sa esha iha pravishtaha ihaiva antashsharire vidyamanaha sa ikshanchakre iksham kritva srishtim akarot iti evam varnam shrutva चेतनपूर्विका सृष्टिः इति एवं श्रूयते तदा सांख्यः प्रत्यवतिष्ठते. कथं चेतनपूर्वकत्वं सृष्टेः? अचेतनं प्रधानं किल जगत्कारणं तैरभ्युपगम्यते. अतः प्रधानमेव जगत्कारणम् इति यदा उच्यते चेतनपूर्वकत्वं तु विरुद्धं भवति. अतः अस्मत्सम्मत सिद्धांत विरुद्धमत्र उच्यते इति मन्यमानः सांख्यः प्रत्यवतिष्ठते. ननु आत्मा अकर्ता प्रधानं कर्तृ. In the Sankhya Siddhanta, Atma tavat akarta. He is not the karta. He is not the doer. But pradhanam kartru. The doer is pradhana. प्रधानस्य तावत् कर्तृत्वम् अभिधीयते. अतः पुरुषार्थं प्रयोजनम् उररीकृत्य प्रधानं प्रवर्तते महदाद्याकारेण. In the Sankhya Siddhanta, Purusha is there, Pradhanam is different from Purusha. Pradhanasya pravartihi Purushasya bhogartham. Purushaha bhokta प्रधानं कर्तृ इति तेषां सिद्धान्तः. प्रधानं किमर्थं प्रवर्तते? Why this pradhana will become into so many kind of worldly objects? प्रधान परिणामः कुतः? पुरुषस्य भोगार्थं महदाद्याकारेण पुरुषस्य प्रयोजनम् उररीकृत्य. It does not have any effect for itself. It is for Purusha. For the benefit of Purusha, pradhanasya pravrittihi. That is the siddhanta of Sankhyas. Mahadadyakare pradhanam mahadrupena parinamate mahato ahankaraha ahankarat panchatanmatrani tasman ganascha shodashakaha iti panchavimshati tattvanam tavat vikasakramah sankhyehi abhidhiyate. तत्र इदम् अनुपपन्नं पुरुषस्य स्वातन्त्र्येण ईक्षापूर्वकं कर्तृत्ववचनं यदुच्यते. उपनिषत्सु श्रूयते यत् स ईक्षाञ्चक्रे इत्यस्य विवरणावसरे पुरुषस्यैव ईक्षणं श्रूयते. ईक्षापूर्वकं तस्य स्वतन्त्रं कर्तृत्वं. ही इज द इंडिपेंडेंट डूयर ऑफ ऑल काइंड ऑफ क्रिएशन. स्वातंत्र्येण ईक्षापूर्वकं कर्तृत्वं यदि पुरुषस्य अभिधीयेत इदं तावत् अनुपपन्नं भवति. कर्तृत्ववचनं सत्त्वादिगुणसाम्ये प्रधाने प्रमाणोपपन्ने सृष्टिकर्तरि सति ईश्वरेच्छानुवर्तिषु वा परमाणुषु सत्सु. एंड आल्सो सत्त्वादिगुणसाम्ये प्रधाने. सत्वादि गुणसाम्यम प्रधानम in Sankhya Siddhanta. What do you mean by pradhana? What is the definition of pradhana? Pradhanam nama gunatraya samyavastha prakritihi. All the three gunas, sattva, rajas and tamas, which are in an equal quantity, that is the form of pradhana. If there is any imbalance in between these qualities, if there is sattvasya utkarshah अथवा रजोगुणस्य उत्कर्षः अथवा तमोगुणस्य उत्कर्षः, that will be called as parinama. If there is no parinama, all the three gunas will be in the equal quantity, then it is called pradhanam or prakritihi. सत्वादि गुण साम्ये प्रधाने प्रमाणोपपन्ने सृष्टिकर्तरि सति. That kind of pradhana is the cause of this world. This is the doctrine of Sankhya. Pradhanameva Jagat Kartru. Pradhanam is the creator of this whole universe. And Ishvaranuvartishu va Paramanushu Satsu. What kind of doctrine is accepted by Naiyayikas? They say Arambhavada or Paramanu Karanavada. There are atoms which are act according to the Ichha of Ishvara. Etadrisha Siddhanta Dvayam Yada Vartate Naiyayikanam Sankhyanancha Tattiraskrita Katham Tatra Swatantra Ikshana Chetana Karanavadaha Abhidhiyate iti Akshepa. Atmanopi Ekatvena Kartrutve Sadhana Bhavat. According to your Siddhanta, Atma only one. Tasya Ekatvena Kartrutve Sadhana Bhava. If he is called as Karta without any instrument, one cannot do anything. Sadhana Atmanaha Atmani Anarthakartrutva Anupapattescha. Atmanaha api Atmanaha krite Anarthakartrutvam. Whichever is the Kartrutva is told, that will be a Anartha. Anarthakartrutvam swasyeva ekasyeva kimartham uchyate? Nahi chetanavan buddhipurvakari Atmanaha Anartham kuriyat. Because one who is having some kind of even least wisdom, he will not do any harm to himself. If anyone is having at least form of wisdom, he will not do anything which is harmful to him. Because of he is having such a kind of wisdom. Whichever is harmful to me, whichever is not harmful to me, he will go to that only whichever is not harmful to him. The whole world which is created by Atma or Purusha, whatever you Vedantins say, if it is Anartha, why the Chetana or Purusha or Atma creates such a kind of world which is harmful to him? Tasmat Purusharthena Prayojanena Iksha Purvakamiva Niyatakramena Pravartamane Achetane Pradhane Chetanavad Upacharoyam Sa Ikshan Chakre Ityadihi. Sa Ikshan Chakre Acetanameva pradhanam jagatah karanam tadeva ikshanam krutavat iti vaktavyam. Saha iti shabdena pradhanameva svikriyate athava karana visheshaha ityucyatam. Saha karana visheshaha pradhanam acetanam yadyapi sankhyaih angikriyate acetanam pradhanam ikshan chakre ikshanam krutavan iti katham bhavati. Acetanam kutrapi ikshanam nakaroti kila. Ikshanam tavat chetananishto dharmaha acetane pradhane katham ikshanam kritavat iti anvayaha bhavati iti yadi shanka tatra aupacharika prayogah arthat gaunah prayogah ikshanam kritamiva. Vastutah ikshanam karoti iti nartha ikshanam kritamiva acetane chetanavad upacharaha. It does not have the main meaning of this kind of primary meaning, that is Mukhyartha. Primary meaning should not be taken here. Ikshanam, ikshanamiva. Ikshanchakre. Atayeva chetanavad upacharoyam sa ikshanchakre. Why it pradhanam ikshanchakre ityuchyate? Chetanasya purushasya प्रयोजन मुद्दिश्य सांख्याभिमत प्रधानस्य प्रवृत्ति. that is सांख्य सिद्धांत. चेतनस्य पुरुषस्य फलार्थम अचेतनम प्रधानम प्रवर्तते. तस्मात् यथा राज्ञः सर्वार्थकारिणी सर्वार्थकारिणी भृत्यो राजेति तद्वत्. In the same manner, an example is given. There is a servant or an assistant, one who helps Raja or king. Nowadays, if you can call him as a minister, the PA of the minister will act as sarvarthakari. He will do everything for the minister. All other people, those who want to take the help of the minister, they will approach the PA of the minister. In the same manner, this Purusha is akarta, tasya upabhogartham pradhanam pravartate. That's why sarvarthakarini bhrutye Tvameva Raja itivat yatha loke vyavaharaha. Though he is not the minister, he only assists the minister. But what the people say, he is the king, he is the minister, he is just like a minister. If you approach him, your work will be done. That is the experience we have. In the same manner, this Prakriti or Pradhanam, whatever you call in this Sankhya Siddhanta, this is Sarvarthakari. Sarva Jagadakarena Parinamate Pradhanam. Why? Because it is because of the Prayojanam Uddishya Purushasya Pradhana Pravritti. That's why here Ikshan Chakre, Pradhanameva Ikshan Chakre iti Gauna Prayoga. This is not the main or primary meaning, this is the secondary meaning. That means Gaunarthe, Aupachariko Arthaha. So, Chetana Purvaka Karanavadaha Atra Navaktavyaha. That is the Sankhya's view. Now, Bhashyakara refutes this kind of Sankhya Siddhanta. Na Atmano Bhoktritvavat Kartritvopapatte. Atmanaha Bhoktritvam Yadvartate Atmano Bhoktritvavat Kartritvopapatte. Yadi Atma Bhokta, according to Sankhya Siddhanta, Atma only Bhokta, he is not Karta. Pradhanam Kartru, that is their Siddhanta. If you accept Bhoktritvam in Atma, why don't you accept Kartrutvam? How can you refute the Kartrutva in Atma? Once you accept the Bhoktritvam in Atma, which does not have any kind of dharma in him, because he is Nirvishesha Nirdharmaka. In the Nirdharmake Atmani, yadi Bhoktrutvam svikriyate, Kartrutvam kutona. Bhoktrutvam api dharmaha, Kartrutvam api dharmaha. Bhoktrutropo dharmaha Atmani svikriyate chet, Kartrutvam kutona svikriyate. Tare ujyate na Atmanaha Bhoktritvavat Kartrutvam api upapatte. If you accept Bhoktritva in Atma, why not this Kartrutva? It also can be in Atma. Yatha Sankhyasya Chinmatrasya Aparinaminaha api Atmanaha Bhoktritvam Tadvadeva Tadvad Vedavadinam Ikshadi Purvakam Jagatkartratvam Upapannam Shruti Pramanya. Chinmatrasya Atma only Chit Swarupa. He is called as Chaitanya Swarupa, Chinmatra Swarupa. He does not have any kind of Parinama. Saha Aparinami. Tasya Aparinaminaha Chinmatrasya. Here this word signifies the nature of Atma. Chinmatra, Chaitanya Matram, nothing else. Not Bhoktrutvam, nor Kartrutvam, for that matter, nor any kind of quality or dharma in Atma. Chinmatrasya aparinaminaha api atmanaha bhoktrutvam svikriyate yushmabhihi che tadvadeva वेदवादिनाम ईक्षादिपूर्वकम जगत्कर्तृत्वम, ईक्षादिपूर्वक जगत्कर्तृत्वम वेदवादिभिः वेदान्तिभिः यदुच्यते तत्कुतो न अंगीक्रियते। चिन्मात्रस्य भोक्तृत्वं स्वीक्रियते चेत् कर्तृत्वं कुतो न स्वीक्रियते। इदानीं what kind of argument is thoughted here? Sa Ikshan Chakre, that was the mantra. While explaining Sa Ikshan Chakre Paramatma Ikshanam Kritavan, Iksha Purvaka Karta Jagat Srishti Karta iti arthaha abhita. If you have any reservation taking this meaning, what you say? You say Atma Chinnmatra Swarupaha, Chaitanya Matra Swarupaha Atma, according to your Siddhanta, Sankhya Siddhanta, Chinnmatra Swarupopi Atma Bhokta Ityuchyate. भोक्तृत्वम् आत्मनि स्वीक्रियते चेत् कर्तृत्वं कुतो न स्वीक्रियते इति अस्माकं प्रश्नः वेदान्तिनां। कुतः? ईक्षाञ्चक्रे इत्येव श्रुतिः, ईक्षणं कृतवान् इति, ईक्षणकर्तृत्वं श्रूयते, भोक्तृत्वं तु त्वया उच्यते, कर्तृत्वं कुतो न स्वीक्रियते? एकः धर्मः भवति चेत् अपरो धर्मः कुतो न भवति? फॉर दैट मैटर इफ यू से आत्मनि कर्तृत्वं नास्ति, कर्तृत्वं प्रधाने एव, हाउ द भोक्तृत्वं? आत्मा केवलं चिन्मात्र स्वरूपः. इफ इट डज नॉट हैव एनी कर्तृत्व, ही शुड नॉट हैव भोक्तृत्व आल्सो, बिकॉज ही इज कॉल्ड एज निर्धर्मका. सो once you accept bhoktritva in atma, why can't you accept kartritva? So sa ikshanchakre, as accepted by Sankhya bhoktritvam in atma, in the same manner kartritvam can be accepted. You cannot refute simply for the sake of oppositions. You cannot reject this kind of doctrine. Tadvad vedavadinam ikshadipurvakam jagatkartratvam upapannam. Why? Because Shruti Pramanyat. This is not only the doctrine put forward by Vedantins without any pramana. There is a Shruti Pramana. Shruti says, Sa ikshanchakre, Saha shodashakala purushaha purvam abhivarnitaha, Saha ikshanchakre ikshanam kritavaniti sakshat kartratvam tasyeva uktam Shruti Pramanyat. तत्वांतर परिणामः आत्मनः अनित्यत्व अशुद्धत्व अनेकत्व निमित्तः न चिन्मात्र स्वरूप विक्रिया अतः पुरुषस्य स्वात्मन्येव भोक्तृत्वे चिन्मात्र स्वरूप विक्रिया न दोषाय. तत्वांतर परिणामः आत्मनः अनित्यत्व अशुद्धत्व अनेकत्व निमित्तः न चिन्मात्र स्वरूप विक्रिया. तत्वांतर रूपेण परिणामः परिणाम प्रक्रिया इत्युच्यते चेत् अनित्यत्व अशुद्धत्व अनेकत्वं निमित्तीकृत्य चिन्मात्र स्वरूप स्यात्. ही इज ओनली चिन्मात्र स्वरूप. चिन्मात्र चैतन्यम इज द one and only swarupa of Paramatma or Atma. Chinmatra swarupasya vikriya na bhavati. Ataha purushasya swatmanyeva bhoktritve chinmatra swarupa vikriya na doshaya bhavatam punarvedavadinam srishtikartritve tattvaantara parinama eva ityatmanaha anityattvadi sarvadosha prasangaha. This is the accusation of Sankhya over Vedantin. He says, Tattvantara Parinamaha, if Atma is Parinamate, Tattvantara Rupena yadi Atma Parinameta, tada kim bhavati? Tasya Chinmatra Swarupa Vikriya na bhavati tatra अनित्यत्व अशुद्धत्व अनेकत्व निमित्तः न चिन्मात्र स्वरूप विक्रिया. अतः पुरुषस्य स्वात्मन्येव भोक्तृत्वे चिन्मात्र स्वरूप विक्रिया न दोषाय। अस्माकं तु मते पुरुषस्य स्वात्मन्येव भोक्तृत्वमस्ति। भोक्तृत्वे चिन्मात्र स्वरूपस्य विकारो न भवति, परिणामो न भवति, अतः दोषो नास्ति अस्माकं सांख्यानां मते। तत्र आत्मनः भोक्तृत्वं कथम् इत्युक्तौ अनित्यत्व अशुद्धत्व अनेकत्व निमित्तः तादृशं सर्वमपि निमित्तीकृत्य भोक्तृत्वम् उच्यते। परन्तु वेदान्तिनां कथं भवति, वेदवादिनां सृष्टिकर्तृत्वे तत्त्वान्तरपरिणामः। अस्माकं सिद्धान्ते आत्मनः तत्त्वान्तररूपेण परिणामः नाङ्गीक्रियते। आत्मरूपेण एव तिष्ठति। आत्मा विल नाट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ परिणाम मूलरूपेण, तत्त्वान्तररूपेण न परिणमते। परन्तु परिणामः इति कथमुच्यते अस्माभिः इत्युक्तौ अनेकत्वादिकम् अशुद्धत्वादिकं निमित्तीकृत्य परिणाम इव उच्यते। अतः स्वरूपे विकारो नास्ति अस्मत् सिद्धान्ते। युष्माकं वेदान्तिनां सिद्धान्ते सृष्टिकर्तृत्वे तत्त्वान्तर परिणाम एव। सृष्टिकर्तृत्वमुच्यते चेत् यः सृष्टिं करोति स एव स्रष्टव्यपदार्थरूपेण परिणमते इति वक्तव्यं। तदा तत्त्वान्तररूपेण आत्मैव परिणमते इति यदा उच्यते आत्मनः च्युतिप्रसङ्गः। यः परिणमते, यः विकारतां प्राप्नोति तस्य तावत् नाशः एव भवति। तत्त्वान्तर परिणाम एव इति आत्मनः अनित्यत्वादि सर्वदोष प्रसंगः। Once the Atman is took into the form of worldly objects, that will become anitya, because whatever is having such a kind of parinama, that is called as parinami. Once the parinama means, what does it mean parinama? Parinama means अवयवानाम् उपचयो वा अपचयो वा सावयव पदार्थस्यैव परिणामो भवति। आत्मा निरवयवः, निरवयवस्यापि परिणामः यदि उच्येत आत्मनः एव अनित्यत्वादि दोषप्रसङ्गः वेदान्तिनां पक्षे। अतः वेदान्तिनां मतानुसारेण स ईक्षाञ्चक्रे, सः पुरुषः ईक्षापूर्वक सृष्टिम् अकरोत् इति तस्य कर्तृत्वं सृष्टिकर्तृत्वं यद्यभिधीयेत, सृष्ट जगदाकारेण आत्मनः परिणामे आत्मनः अनित्यत्वादि दोषप्रसक्तिः अस्माकं मते आत्मनः तत्त्वान्तररूपेण परिणामः नाङ्गीक्रियते। तत्तु किञ्चिन् निमित्ते कृत्य उच्यते, निमित्तमेव तत्र कारणं भवति, न तु स्वरूपे च्युतिः। आत्मनः अनित्यत्व अशुद्धत्व अनेकत्व निमित्तः परिणामः तत्त्वान्तर परिणामः। अतः पुरुषस्य स्वात्मन्येव भोक्तृत्वे चिन्मात्र स्वरूप विक्रिया न दोषाय इति योऽयम् अस्माकं सांख्यानां सिद्धान्तः स एव समीचीनः इति पुनः तस्यैव आक्षेपः इति चेत् न, तथा न वक्तुं न शक्यते। एकस्याप्यात्मनो अविद्या विषय नाम रूप उपाधि अनुपाधिकृत विशेष अभ्युपगमा। एकः एव परमात्मा और आत्मा is one and only. In spite of that, because of the connection with so many upadhis, ekopi aneka upadhi sambandhena aneka iva bhavati. Just like only one and only sun is there, or only one and only moon is there, he will reflect in so many mirrors or in so many waters kept in the different vessels. But bimba rupena parinamah yasya bhavati, saha bimba rupah eka eva. अनेकत्वं तावत् प्रतिबिम्बरूपेण इति यदुच्यते उपाधि सम्बन्धेनैव भवति। In the same manner आत्मा यद्यपि एक एव, एकस्यापि आत्मनः अविद्या विषय नाम रूप उपाधि अनुपाधिकृत विशेष अभ्युपगमा। अविद्यया नाम रूपम इत्यादिकं भेदः इत्यादि भेदः कल्प्यते। भेद रूप उपाधौ आत्मनः एकस्यापि तत्सम्बन्धेन अनेकत्वमिव भवति इति दिस इज द डॉक्ट्राइन एक्सेप्टेड बाय वेदांतिन्स अविद्याकृत नाम रूप उपाधिकृतो हि विशेषः अभ्युपगम्यते आत्मनः बंध मोक्षादि शास्त्रकृत संव्यवहाराय. Why are you accepting such kind of doctrine? एकोपि आत्मा अनेकत्वं प्राप्नोति इत्युक्तौ. Otherwise, if you don't accept such kind of siddhanta, then this bandha and moksha and shastra, guru, shishya, such kind of business will be or will have to be rejected. That cannot happen because there is a shastra. Vedanta shastra is there. Vedanta shastra shastram kam upadishati. Upadeshta kaha, upadeshyak kaha, upadeshak kaha. Iti shastram shishyah shasanam. Evam rupena pramanam prameyam प्रमाता इत्यादि त्रिपुटी भेदः यदि न अंगीक्रियेत एकमेव इत्यभिधीयेत शास्त्रमपि नापेक्षते. कुतः? अन्यः कोऽपि नास्ति. केवलं चेतनः आत्मा एक एव इति अंगीक्रियते चेत् शास्त्रं नापेक्षते, गुरुः नापेक्षते, शिष्यो नास्ति, गुरुशिष्यादि भेद एव न स्यात्, शास्त्रमपि नास्ति, प्रमाणमपि नास्ति इत्यापत्तिः. परन्तु तादृश व्यवहारः लोके अस्ति. परन्तु एक एव आत्मा इति सिद्धान्तोऽपि पारमार्थिकः. तत् कथं संगच्छते इत्युक्तौ एकस्यापि अविद्याकृत उपाधि अविद्याकृत नामरूप उपाधिकृतः. अविद्यया नाम रूपम् इत्यादि उपाधि तत्र स्वीक्रियते. तस्मादेव उपाधिकृतः विशेषः अभ्युपगम्यते. तादृश भेदः स्वीक्रियते. यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट सच काइंड ऑफ भेद. आत्मनः बंधमोक्षादि शास्त्रकृत संव्यवहाराय. अन्यथा अदरवाइज बंध एंड मोक्ष, बंध कस्य मोक्षः कस्य. बंधः अर्थात कश्चित् बद्धः, वन हु इज वेरी मच involved in this world, worldly business, he is called as baddha. One who does not connected himself with this worldly business, he is called as mukta. How does this kind of difference, bandha, baddha or mukta, bandha or moksha and shastra, this kind of vyavahara is accepted here. To accept such kind of vyavahara, you have to accept उपाधिकृत नाम रूप उपाधिकृत भेदः वक्तव्यः. एकस्यैव आत्मनः एतादृश भेदं विना बन्ध मोक्ष इत्यादि व्यवस्था न संभवति, शास्त्रस्यापि सार्थक्यं न संभवति. अतः संव्यवहाराय परमार्थतः अनुपाधिकृतं च तत्त्वम् एकमेव अद्वितीयम् उपादेयं सर्वतार्किक बुद्ध्यनवगाह्यम् अवयं शिवमिष्यते. परम नित्यरूपेण विद्यमानं तत्त्वं तु एकमेव तच्च पारमार्थिकम्. Actually there is one and only tattva, that is called as Atma or Paramatma. It is not tarkagamya. You cannot apply logic to know about this Swarupa of Atma. Naisha tarkena matirapaneya. That is well said in Upanishad. Tarkagamyo arthaha nabhavati. For this, Dandi gives a beautiful example in his Kavyadarsha, where he says, Ikshukshira gudadinam madhuryasya antaram mahat athapi natadakyatum saraswatyapi shakyate. Only the tattva which is anubhavaika vedya, or you can know through your experience only. How can it be possible to explain in words? It cannot be said through words. For that, an example, a beautiful example is given. Ikshu kshira gudadinam madhuryasya antaram mahat. Ikshu, sugar cane. Sugar cane having the sugar cane juice, that is sweetie. Kshiram, milk also sweetie. Gudaha, jaggery, it is also sweetie. Ikshukshira gudadinam, all these padarthas, different padarthas, in spite of difference in them, the madhurya or sweetness in it, it is also different one. In spite of difference in madhurya, you will not be able to express that kind of madhurya in words. You cannot. But you can experience it. By experiencing, by taking that milk, by drinking that sugarcane juice, by eating that jaggery, you will experience a difference in the sweetness. That kind of difference in the sweetness cannot be said by words. It is totally unexplainable, but it is experience will be there. Experience will be there. That's why Atma, it is only can be known through experience. You cannot explain through any kind of means. No pramana, because this is called as aprameya. Pramana vishayo nabhavati atma. Ataha tattika rupena ekameva vidyamanam tadeva uchyate paramarthataha anupadhikritam tattvam ekam eva advitiyam upadeyam tattu sarvatarkika buddhyanavagahyam. You cannot apply logic to know about the true nature of Atma. Logic will be handicapped. Through logic or tarka, you cannot experience the real nature of Atma. That is called as abhayam shivamishyate. Na tatra kartratvam bhoktratvam va kriyakaraka phalam cha syad advaitatvat sarvabhavanam. In the paramartha status, Atma is one and only will be there. That is called as Kaivalya. Kaivalyana means Kevalasya bhavaha Kaivalyam. Kevalam nama one and only, nothing second will be. Ekam eva advitiyam. Sarva bhava kartratvam. When you say Ekam eva advitiyam, there is no place for second. When it is, having said that, if you say Atma Bhokta, Atmani Bhoktratvam, Atma Dharmi, Bhoktratvam Dharmaha, Dharmaha Ditiyaha, Advitiyatam Katham Bhavati, Sadditiyatam eva agacchati. You cannot say that Bhoktratvam Atmani Vartate. You cannot say. Ataha Purushe Kartratvam na Kartratvam na Bhoktratvam va क्रियाकारक फलम स्याद अद्वैतत्वात् सर्वभावानां. सांख्यास्तु अविद्याध्यारोपितमेव पुरुषे कर्तृत्वं क्रियाकारक फलं चेति कल्पयित्वा आगमबाह्यत्वात् पुनः ततस्त्रस्यन्तः परमार्थत एव भोक्तृत्वं पुरुषस्य इच्छन्ति. पुरुषे कर्तृत्वं सांख्याः पूर्वम् आपादयन्ति, तत्तु पारमार्थिकं न, केवलं तत्र काल्पनिकमिति अविद्याध्यारोपितं कर्तृत्वं पूर्वं कल्पयन्ति. अनन्तरं तत्सर्वं वेदविरुद्धम् इति त्रस्यन्तः भीताः. परमार्थत एव भोक्तृत्वं कल्पनामात्रं मास्तु, भोक्तृत्वं तस्य पारमार्थिकमेव इति कथयन्ति. तत्त्वान्तरं च प्रधानं पुरुषात् परमार्थवस्तुभूतमेव कल्पयन्तः अन्यतार्किककृत बुद्धि विषयाः सन्तो विहन्यन्ते. परंतु प्रधानम, दिस प्रधानम is something different from Purusha. Purusha is Chetana, Pradhanam is Achetanam. Purusha is having Bhoktrutva, whereas Pradhanam does not have Bhoktrutva. This is called as Kartru. Kartrutvam will be accepted in Pradhana. Tattvantram Pradhanam Purushat Paramartha Bhuta Vastubhutam eva Kalpayanta. This Paramartha Paramatma yaha vartate tasmat Paramartha Bhutam Tattvantaram Pradhanamapi Kalpayanti. There cannot be two Paramartha Padartha according to Shruti. Ekam eva advitiyam, that is one and only the Paramartha Vastu. Sankhyastu Purushopi Paramarthaha Purushasya Bhogartham Pravartamana Prakritihi Athava Pradhanamapi Paramartha iti Paramartha Vastu Dvayam Kalpayanti. Tadrisha Kalpanam Tesham Kalpanam Anyatarkika Kruta Buddhi Vishayas Santo Vihanyante. Eteshamapi Kalpana. Kalpana means when you say this is Kalpana or some kind of concept is accepted. Concept means Buddhijanyam. Buddhijanyam eva Kalpana. Buddhijanyam nama saiva tarkaha. Tarkikanamapi Kalpana. Sankhyanamapi Kalpana ityuchyate je. Etesham Sankhyanam Kalpana Anya Kalpakaihi Tarkikaihi Virudhyate. Ataha Swayameva Vihanyante. Tatha Itare Sankhya Tarkikaha Sankhyahi api Virudhyante. Tarkikanam Sankhyanancha Parasparam Virodha. When this kind of concept is accepted in Sankhya Siddhanta, it will be opposed by logicians or Nayayikas. Nayayikanam yas Siddhanta, that will be opposed by Sankhyas. Tatha itare Tarkikaha Sankhyahi ittevam Paraspara Viruddha Artha Kalpana Amisharthaiva Praninaha Anyonya Viruddha Manartha Darishitvat Paramartha Tattva Durameva Apakrishyante Ataha Tanmatam Anadritya Vedantartha Tattvam Ekatva Darshanam Prati Adaravanto Mumukshavasyuhu iti Tarkika Mata Dosha Pradarshanam Kinchiduchyate Asmabhi Natu Tarkikavat Tatparyena. Hereafter, in brief, Sankhya Siddhanta also explained here. This Sankhya Siddhanta is being opposed by Nayayikas, Tarkikas, how they say, and what kind of opposition in between Sankhyas and Nayayikas. To prove this point, in brief, Tarkika Siddhantaha api itah param varnyate. When it is explained, Tarkika Siddhanta, the doctrine of logicians, also explained, and also this Sankhya's doctrine also explained. Once both are explained, both each other oppose. So both are having opposition among themselves. That's why that is called as Apramanyam Bhajate Virodhat. Ataha Tarkika Matasya Pradarshanam Kinchit Kriyate Kimartham Ityuktau Tarkikavat Tatparyena Tarkikasya Tatra Shraddha Yatha Bhavati Tadvat Shraddhaya Asmabhir Naiva Pradarshate Tarkika Matam Kintari Tarkika Mate Vidyamana Dosha Pradarshanayiva Tatha Etad Atra Uktam Vivadatsveva Nikshipta Virodhodbhavakaranam Tai Samrakshita Sadbuddhi Sukham Nirvati Vedavit Tarkikanam Madhye Yoyam Vadaha Vartate Sankhyanam Madhye Yoyam Vadaha Vartate Tarkikanam Sankhyananja Madhye Yoyam Vivadaha Virodhova Vartate. It will be kept there only, and it will be left out by Vedantin. He says according to experience and according to Shruti, not according to his wisdom. Both Tarkikas and Sankhyas, they are depending upon their wisdom only, whereas Vedantin, he is depending upon the Shruti Pramana and the experience, Anubhava Pramana as well. So, विवदत्स्वेव निक्षिप्य विरोधोद्भव कारणम तैः संरक्षित सद्बुद्धि सुखम निर्वाति वेदवित् किंच भोक्तृत्व कर्तृत्वयोः विक्रिययोः विशेष अनुपपत्तिः परमात्मनि भोक्तृत्वं वा कर्तृत्वं वा तत्र उभयमपि धर्मः भोक्तृत्वमपि धर्मः कर्तृत्वमपि धर्मः आत्मा सधर्मको वा निर्धर्मको वा इति वक्तव्यं सधर्मकश्चेत् अयं धर्मः भवति अयं धर्मः न भवति इति कथं निर्धर्मकः इत्युक्तौ कर्तृत्वं यथा न भवति भोक्तृत्वमपि न भवति एवं किल वक्तव्यं कानामासौ कर्तृत्वात् जात्यन्तर भूतात् भोक्तृत्व विशिष्टा विक्रिया भोक्तृत्वं दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ए विकार भोक्तृत्व आत्मा भोक्ता दैट इज द सिद्धांत ऑफ सांख्य इफ आत्मनि विद्यमानं भोक्तृत्वं प्रधाने विद्यमानं कर्तृत्वं यदि कश्चन विकारः आत्मनि विद्यमानं भोक्तृत्वं कुतो न विकारः व्हाई दिस इज नॉट कॉल्ड एज विकार यतो भोक्ता एव पुरुषः कल्पते न कर्ता प्रधानं तु कर्तृ न भोक्तृ परंतु व्हाट सांख्य सेज ही सेज पुरुष इज भोक्ता न तो कर्ता प्रधानम इज कर्तृ न तो भोक्तृ व्हाई दिस काइंड ऑफ अर्धजरतीय बिकॉज वंस यू एक्सेप्ट one kind of quality in atma that is bhoktritvam why can't you accept this kartrutvam what prohibits you to accept this bhoktritve kartrutvam in atma you have already accepted bhoktritvam dharma is in atma kartrutvam only it is in pradhana you say such kind of partiality should not happen whether you say atma is sadharmaka or nirdharmaka you say atma is nirdharmaka once it is called as nirdharmaka no dharma should be there should not be there is no place at all if this does not have any kartrutva it should not have bhoktrutva also that is the argument put forward by वेदांतिन अतः यतो भोक्तैव पुरुषः कल्प्यते न कर्ता प्रधानं तु कर्त्रेव न भोक्तृ इति ननु